This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: MacBook and Chromecast on the same Wi-Fi, Chromecast powered, and Chrome open. First, make sure Chrome is updated so casting features work reliably. Once done, click the three-dot menu in Chrome's top right corner and choose Cast. You're doing this now to discover your device quickly. Chrome scans the network and lists available Chromecasts. Select your Chromecast to begin the connection, and keep an eye on the small casting icon that appears in the toolbar as confirmation. Once Chrome finds your Chromecast, you must choose what to share and why. Click Sources to pick between casting a single tab for web video, the entire desktop for apps or presentations, or a file for local playback. Picking the correct source reduces lag and keeps privacy intact. If you need sound, make sure to enable system audio sharing when choosing desktop or tab so audio routes to the TV too. Adjust quality and full screen on your Mac for smoother playback before moving on. To finish, control playback from the active Chrome tab or the casting icon and click Stop to end the session. If you want full screen viewing, maximize the tab or app on your Mac and make sure display scaling is normal for best clarity. If video lags or the screen stays black, restart the Chromecast first, then Chrome, and finally your router. This sequence refreshes network and device caches. If problems persist, try casting a different tab to isolate whether it's the site, the network, or the Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.